Let's eat that. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. It's giant. It's giant. Fish on, guys. Finally. It's a big. It's a big monster.
15 months been driving, and I never stop hearing your voice the whole day.
Creepy. Wow. I'm kind of worried for this kind of. It's so slick, man. But we have no choice. Let's go. Hope we can catch some catfish or maybe snakehead on this river. We don't even know. First cast. Boom. Alright, perfect. Oh man, I got snag. I got snagged. Snag on the grass. Perfect. Yeah, so I'm done with this fucking river. Alright, we're gonna move to another place. And of course, we're gonna change the lure. We're gonna use top water lures, like maybe. Alright, we're gonna start from this corner.
All the strangers so fun, and you make all the strangers so fun. I fly away. All the strangers so
Loose.
fun, and you make all the strangers so fun. I fly away.
We never know, guys. Just try cash, 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 and cash until a million cash. If you got nothing, that's okay, man.
Take all my time. I'll be free for here today.
Perfect.
Take me
I think I got it right. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
all
go.
the strangers
Let's
so
eat it.
fun, and you make all the strangers so fun. I fly away.
Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on.
All the strangers so
It's giant. It's giant.
fun, and you
Fish on, guys.
make all the strangers
Fish on.
so fun.
Fish on. Finally. Finally. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Finally. Oh, it's a big. It's a big monster. Okay, please land it. Please don't go away. Please don't go away. I don't want to lose you, bro. Finally, yes, guys. It's a big fish on this tiny frog. This man, I have nothing to say, but it's big Big fish.
All the strangers so far.
Finally, guys,
And you make
we catch
all the
some big
strangers
snakehead.
so far.
Cheers.
I fly all
You know
the
what?
strangers so
I got a bite.
and you
I got bite from that snakehead. But
so far.
I think we gotta go. It's 6:43. It's almost Maghrib here.
I know my
Thank you.
limits. You can break me
And I
down.
really enjoy this day because I catch my first gabus ever
And
on
I've been
this fishing
counting
rod.
minutes for quite some time now.
Thank you for watching and see you
Just to
next time.
see you again. And I've been counting days.